What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got a really cool one from Zenni Optical. This is, you'll notice it's made for Meta. That's because this is an accessory for the Meta Quest 3. So before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. And that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. What this basically is a prescription lens cover for your Quest 3. So you can actually send them your prescription number, the left and right eye prescription, along with the spherical numbers and all that other mumbo jumbo on your prescription. And they're able to make Quest lenses that just snap in and you don't have to put your glasses on anytime you're using them. So in the box, we have a very nice Zenni made for Meta microfiber cloth here. And then we've got our two lenses. So you can see here that one eye is at -3 and the other is at -4. And if we open one of these up, you can see what it looks like. So it's actually a lens that just fits right over your Quest lens. That way you don't have to wear your glasses in VR. Very, very cool. Let's see what else is in the box before we jump into this. So we've got this small little package here. This is Zenni. If I open it, very nice. So anti-fog coating activation cloth. So this is to add a bit of anti-fog coating to the lens itself. When you're using it, that's pretty useful. You can choose between anti-fog coating or anti-scratch coating as well. Then we have the instructions on how to use everything. There we go. And a lens holder. That's right, they give you your own padded and very soft lens cover so that as you're using the VR lenses, you can have them sitting nice and snug in there, nice and safe, and you can keep them there. If you look on the bottom of the lens, you'll notice that it has an R and the other lens has an L so that you know which side to actually install them on, which is really useful. So how do these snap into a Quest? This is the Quest 3. They do make it for the Quest S as well. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but these are about $50, not too expensive. You're going to want to clean your lenses very, very well. So we're just going to place the lens into the Quest here, and we're just going to push until we hear a click, and it's good to go. I'm going to give them a quick wash or wipe down before I put them back in. Now I'll grab the left lens and I'll simply snap that in. And just like that, you have prescription VR lenses. Without having to take anything apart or any of that, you can basically just snap these in and you're good to go. What am I doing? I'm so used to using my glasses. I don't need to use my glasses anymore. And just like that, super clear VR. This is really, really cool. I never thought that it would actually be possible to use. Actually, it's actually a mystery to me how glasses even work in VR since the screen is so close to you. But either way, I'm glad this technology exists and I'm super glad to have it. I'll put a link to Zenni Optical in the description below. And the process is really, really simple. So if I show you the site here, all you have to do is choose whether you want Quest 3S or Quest 3 lenses. And then on the right side, you can choose prescription or non-prescription. They're $50 for prescription and $30 for non-prescription. And then you can choose if you want the anti-fog coating or the oil-resistant coating. I got the anti-fog coating. These come in the form of a wipe that you use. Let me actually find this. It's like this. And it comes with a cloth that you use to apply the coating. And whichever one of these you choose, it is free, but you can only choose one of them. And then you click on Enter Prescription. Here you can go to New Customer, New Prescription, and this is what your prescription is going to look like. These are the information they need for the left and right eye. So you're going to want to find your latest eye doctor prescription or get a new one, and then enter this information here. If you have your actual paper prescription, you can actually take a photo or upload an image of it and just scan the numbers there. Or you can do what I did and just enter the prescription manually based on what numbers on your sheet. And that's it. 6 little values and you're good to go. Super cool site. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for watching.
That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.